Well, it's been a while since I've done a cow video, so let me go ahead and do one now. Been a few changes. Let me show you some of the changes. That is the little red calf I showed you a couple of months ago. He is getting fat and sassy and big. In fact, I think he caught up with the black calf, the black heifer calf. That's Oreo. That black calf that I'll show you in just a minute is hers. The neighbor's cows, he and I are running our cows together, and I'll tell you why in just a second. And that's his little calf. This red cow right in the middle had that little calf right there. So he's got a pair on the ground. Anyway, these are that's one of mine is Oreo, my calf here. The rest of them are the neighbors. Now he has gone registered BEEFMASTER. If you're not familiar with BEEFMASTER, it is a really, really nice breed of cattle. Very nice. Developed here in Texas, and it's got some Bramer in it. Some, gosh, I don't know. I'll have to put it up on the screen what all it's got in it. But they're real popular down here. They big cows, big bulls, and anyway, so. BEEFMASTER is what he got. So let me show you the rest of them and the surprise. No, that's not the surprise. And that's not a cow. There's Red, that's my cow also. That was her calf, the red calf on the ground that I showed you a while ago, the big calf. These are some more of my neighbor's cows. Those are all, those three, there, and there, are all registered BEEFMASTER, and they're young. I think one of them was bred when he bought it. The other two are 15 months, 18 months. I think maybe 15. And that is the new addition. That's the surprise, and that is the bull that he and I bought together. I had a problem last year in that my white cow, Cracker, back in the back there, she did not calve last year, and it's because I didn't have a bull. I was sharing the neighbor's bull, and the bull was with her a pretty good while, so she didn't come in heat when he was with her or something. Hopefully nothing's wrong with her, but she did not calve last year, and I'm attributing it to me not having her with a bull full time. So but anyway, that is our new bull. He is a BEEFMASTER. He is a registered BEEFMASTER. That's Oreo's baby on the ground. That little, she's a heifer calf, pretty calf, black with white face. We call them black baldies. But he is. Let me try to get you in a little bit closer. Maybe get you. Maybe you can see what he is. He's small. He's 15 months, I think. 15 to 18 months. I'm really not sure. I'd have to ask the neighbor, but. He's going to be a really nice bull. Got some good conformation. Step out here, real gentle. And it's going to be a nice Brangus bull. Excuse me, BEEFMASTER bull. I don't know why I said Brangus. It's usually what I run is Brangus. There again is the calf out of that red Angus and my black baldy cow. But he's when he gets all stretched out, he looks pretty dang good. Got a good round butt on him. Means some big round steaks. Good massive chest, and he will get. He's probably 800 pounds right now, maybe 1,000, 8 or 9 probably, 9 to 1,000, and he will get to be close to 2,000 probably. They get big. They get real big. So he'll grow a lot more from here on out. Anyway, he and I, my neighbor and I bought that together, and we're just running the cows together now. And he was following around the white one this morning, Cracker, and I'm hoping she comes in heat and he does what he's supposed to do. And I'd hate to have to sell her. She's just a beautiful cow, good-looking cow, and she's not bred. She won't bring nothing. A cow that's not bred, everybody thinks something's wrong with them. If you tell them, well, she wasn't with a bull, that wouldn't mean anything. They'd think you're lying. So anyway, my battery's getting low, but I did want to show you my cows and him. That is not mine. That's the neighbor's. But see, look at that Brangus heifer up there. Is she pretty? Why am I saying Brangus? BEEFMASTER heifer, registered BEEFMASTER bull. Anyway, they look good. His look good. His look better than mine because they're registered nice, all kind of a set, but mine are crossbred, as you can see. And just want to give you a good shot of him. He's gonna be a good one. He's gonna be a nice bull. Registered BEEFMASTER bull with my red white face. She's got some Brimer in her, and probably Hereford and such. And then my black baldy cow, which gave me a black baldy calf. She'll be bred by this big guy, and my only concern is he standing up tall enough to do what it is he's supposed to do. He's a little shorter than they are. Now, my understanding is they always find a way, so we're hoping that'll happen. All right, that's it. We're gonna go home. Just want to show you the cows, and they are pretty. This set and then the other set over there that I showed you. All running together now, me and the neighbors. And here comes the bull. All right, I'm gonna go. We're gone.